first ever tropical mammoth DNA. Decoded, the shock. Mexican Columbian mammoths form a distinct branch from the US and Canada. Their common ancestor diverged earlier, hinting at isolation as herds moved south. And this breaks a myth that hot climates erase ancient DNA. The bigger story? Mexico may hide multiple Ice Age lineages, not just mammoths. Patterns also seen in other megafauna. Unexpected genetics. Unexplained history. What kept these lineages apart? Climate shifts, geography, or chance? Tell us your theory. Like, subscribe, and stay curious.